2019 Subaru Impreza, and today I'm going to show you how you would jump start. So first open the hood, and then you'll find the battery red on the driver's side here with your positive terminal and your negative. And you can always double check on the battery too with this negative sign here, and there's a positive sign right here. But now I'd check, make sure there's no corrosion, which you can clean these terminals up with a good brush or rag. And then also make sure these are nice and tight, which you can tighten them if needed. Now with your jump box or jumper cables, with the clamps, have the positive clamp directly to the metal and your negative clamp directly to this metal. And then if you're jumping with another vehicle, make sure your positive lead runs directly to another positive and your negative runs directly to the negative on the other car. Just because if you mix these by accident, just a few seconds of that can cause damage to your computer systems, fuses, things like that. But once these are connected up and the vehicle's been running for a few minutes for your other car, hopefully that's got enough power here you can get started. And if you are still having issues and you need to replace this, fortunately all you have to do is just disconnect these things that are holding it in place, loosen these clamps here, these connectors, so you can just get this to this battery. So you can just lift this old battery out, stick your new battery in, and then just retighten everything in. But I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.